Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the best products on the market. Today, we've got something that many of you have been asking for, a solution for hair regrowth. If you've been struggling with thinning hair or hair loss, you're in the right place because we're about to dive into Nutrafol men's hair growth supplements. A clinically tested solution that's been making waves in the world of hair care. Nutrafol men's hair growth supplements have been making headlines as the go-to product for those looking to visibly improve hair growth, thickness, and scalp coverage. It's been dermatologist recommended and clinically tested, and we're about to discover why it's been gaining so much attention. So, what sets Nutrafol apart from other hair regrowth products on the market? Well, it's not just one thing, it's a combination of factors. Nutrafol targets 6 root causes of hair thinning, including stress and hormones like DHT. This means it's tackling the problem at its source. Now, let's talk results. According to a clinical study, 84% of men experienced improved hair quality, and 72% saw improved scalp coverage after just 6 months of use. That's impressive. Nutrafol men's hair growth supplements contain a proprietary blend of 21 vitamins, minerals, and natural ingredients. Some key components include biotin, ashwagandha, saw palmetto, tocotrienol complex, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. These ingredients work together to support hair growth and overall hair health. Nutrafol offers different package sizes to fit your needs. You can choose from a 1-month supply or opt for a 2-month or 3-month supply for more extended usage. They also offer a variety of other products, including hair serums and shampoos, to complement your hair care routine. Here's something you'll appreciate: Nutrafol is committed to sustainability. Their refill pouches are made from recycled plastic, helping to minimize their environmental impact and reduce glass waste. There you have it, folks. Nutrafol men's hair growth supplements, a clinically tested solution for thicker, healthier hair. With its science-backed ingredients and impressive results, it's no wonder it's been recommended by dermatologists. If you're tired of dealing with hair thinning and want to see real results, Nutrafol might be the solution you've been searching for. Check the links in the description below to find out more about Nutrafol and how you can get started on your journey to healthier, thicker hair. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.